next several lessons are going to focus on traveling time steps. And this first one we're going to do is your single traveling time step. And then we'll learn the double and then the triple, and then we'll put them all together. But first, learn the single. So in this lesson, we are going to learn the traveling time step. And it's called the traveling time step because it travels from side to side. It is a long time step. To do just one side takes full 8 counts, as opposed to other time steps where they typically take 4 counts, and it's 8 counts to get both sides in. For this, you are going to do 8 counts before you change to the other side. We are going to start with the right foot. You're going to do a shuffle step. Then you're going to do a shuffle, ball, change, and it's during the ball changes that you're going to travel. Shuffle, ball, change, ball, change. Keeping it small because I don't want to work my way out of the frame of the camera. From here, you're going to do a hop, a step, and a shuffle step. Then you're ready to start it on the other side. You start with your shuffle step on the left foot, shuffle, ball, change, right, hop, step, shuffle, step. Okay, so it starts and finishes with a shuffle step on the foot that is the same as the direction you're going to travel. So when you start right, you're going to travel to the right, and you're going to start and finish with a shuffle step on the right foot. When you start left, you'll travel to the left, and you'll start and finish with a shuffle step on the left foot. So walking through, you have 5, 6, 7, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, hop, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, hop, step, shuffle, step. 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, hop, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, hop, step, shuffle, step. Now, this is a lot to remember, and the hardest part of learning this time step is memorizing it. Once you've got it memorized, then it's going to come a lot easier. So really work on getting the whole step into your brain. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, hop, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, hop, step, shuffle, step. Let's do that one more time. Starting right, you have 5, 6, 7, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, hop, step, 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 step, shuffle, step. Five, 6, 7, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, hop, 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 shuffle,